Hi, Tony here again from Bathroom Spare Parts. Today we're looking at the FixRite dual flush with a button. For the purpose of this demonstration, we're just showing on a ceramic top because this button is designed a bit of a thicker surface to go through. So you'll see. Like that. Next thing is to fit the flush valve complete with its cradle. Obviously, I'm doing it hand tight, old plumber's fingers, but you need to nip it up probably. And that's in, yep, as you can see. Right, this is the connection. It's a bit different from the handle connection. It's got a little clip here, locking clip. So this can be just pushed over the button, push it down, push it on, let go. That connects itself to the flush.